FlyEnv now includes a native ClickHouse module. One desktop app. No Docker, no manual setup. ClickHouse sits in the database server group, next to MySQL and PostgreSQL. The version tab lists every ClickHouse build FlyEnv can install. One click downloads and installs the official binary. You can keep several versions installed side by side. The Service tab shows each installed version and its path. Mark one as the default for this machine. Then start it with a single switch. ClickHouse is now running as a native local service. The Configuration tab opens config.xml and users.xml. The Log tab streams the server log while it runs. Edit, save, and restart from the same window. FlyEnv can open a ClickHouse web client in your browser. Connects to the local instance automatically. Run SQL, browse databases, and build dashboards. Everything stays on your own machine. Switching versions is just as easy. Stop one build, start another, and the service comes right back. Every version links back to its official ClickHouse release. The menu bar gives you quick toggles for every service. Start or stop ClickHouse without opening the main window. Add it to Group Start and it boots with your stack.